Hi, I'm T3 Stylist Ambassador Denise Madrigal, and I'm so excited to introduce the all-new T3 Afar Travel Dryer. Built for travel and equipped for styling, the T3 Afar has superior drying power and a full suite of features for beautiful hair wherever you are. 25% lighter and 30% smaller, the T3 Afar features a folding handle that offers the same sturdiness and easy grip of a full-size dryer, but in a compact size. It comes with a vegan leather travel pouch that securely stores your dryer for easy packing. It also has an auto dual voltage built inside that automatically adapts for worry-free styling abroad. 3 heat and 2 speed settings deliver the optimal heat and speed combinations to style all hair types while minimizing damage exposure. Engineered with T3 IonAir Technology, the ion-infused airstream gently dries hair fast. Negative ions help smooth the hair cuticle to minimize frizz, enhance shine, and provide healthy-looking results. This is the ultimate luxury travel dryer that combines full-size performance and premium features with travel-friendly design and a luxury storage pouch.